Hey everybody, this is Rosemary Jane with another Tech Talk Tidbit on mobile, and this time I am looking at Android and Apple from a teacher perspective. So teachers, I'm going to show you logging into the app, and most of my instructions also apply for your students. So download the mobile app from the iOS or Google Play Store and log in through your school. So you're selecting the top option. Parents are the ones who choose login to Schoology.com. Staff and students log in through your school. When you click log in through your school, it takes you to authenticate with Google. I'm going to select my CPS Google account to log in as a staff member. Just walks me through logging in. This is on my Android, and this process is the same on my Apple, so I won't show that twice. Just selecting my school, log in through my school. On both applications, I just have to give Android authorization on this one, on iPhone, iOS authorization. So approve. I stay logged in most of the time, so I don't log in and out as a staff member. All right, both my apps are now logged in. And so once I am logged in, here's what it looks like to be in Schoology on an Android. When you first log in, first thing that shows is your updates. That's true for all users. So there's my updates. On my Android, if I tap this little arrow to the upper left, that takes me into the menu that gives me the opportunity to send and receive messages. That's the envelope symbol there. Connect with people and my notifications. My profile is there. Home is my recent activity, those updates. And then all my courses are right here. That was on Android. On Apple, I log in, same thing. I am on my updates, but instead of the arrow, it is a 3-bar menu. Now, when I open it on an Apple, the 3-bar menu, my messages are hanging out right at the top. Messages, notifications, and requests. Sorry, that's not. So on this one, on the Android, those were little icons across the top, where on the iPhone, they're right there in the top bar. So then after that, then it's home, courses, groups, and so forth down the line. So one thing to note on Apple or Android, when you open a message and you start working in that, on iPhone, you just click the 3-bar menu to go back, and you're back in that whole menu. On Android, if you do click the message button, your message is open, you have to exit. There's a little X there. You have to exit the messages to make your menu reappear. So just some people have said, oh, my menu went away. It's just hidden behind whatever you open. All right, now I want to show you what I really love about this and why this is worth your time. Courses, you can open your courses directly from your phone, and in the upper corner, see the little plus sign? I'm going to click the plus sign. I can add an assignment or discussion right from my phone. So an assignment or discussion, I'm on the materials page, I'm on my Android. Slight changes on the iPhone. Updates. I can post an update right here from my phone. So right there. iPhone. A little different. Hit my courses, open a course. In the upper, it differentiates by little tabs at the bottom. So if I want to go, that glare is awful. My updates, I have to tap on that separately. But if I want to add content, that plus in the corner, press that. I can add everything from one button on my iPhone. So I can post is an update. I can add an assignment, event, discussion, files, and so forth. So I do it right from the plus sign in the Apple. From the Android, I have to select which one I'm on, whether that is an update or materials. So on the Android, I have that little bar in the bottom. Sorry, it's on the top now. All right, so small navigational changes, but big power is in the plus sign. So create content directly from your phone, people. I can send that update right from my phone, or I can go into my materials and I can add a material right from my phone. So play around with them in your phone. It's amazing how you can stay connected with mobile, even creating meaningful course content from your phone. At least post an update. Enjoy. Bye.